This is the second part of my video using the flash function. I've set it up on a wireless trigger and I put mapped of distances at 30, 60 and 90 centimeters. The light meter is set for 100 ISO. So here we go. Let's give it a try and see how we get. That reading is 5.6 at 30 centimeters. At 60 centimeters it is 4.0, and at 90 centimeters I've got 2.8. So this shows that this flash is really useful in close-up macro work, but anything over a meter it becomes fairly useless. Though if you're doing macro work it's fine. So the choice is yours. Thank you for watching.